Introduction to AI-powered quizzes.
AI-powered quiz generators are transforming the way we learn and teach. By using artificial intelligence, these tools help you quickly create engaging quizzes tailored to your needs. Whether you're a teacher, student, or self-learner, AI can simplify quiz creation, ensure variety, and provide real-time feedback to boost understanding and retention.
Top tools for creating interactive quizzes.
Popular platforms like Quizizz, Kahoot, Quizlet, and ClassPoint AI offer user-friendly features powered by artificial intelligence. These tools can generate question sets from your study materials, suggest improvements, and personalize quizzes for different learning levels. Most are accessible via web browsers and mobile apps, making it easy to create and share quizzes anytime, anywhere.
How to generate a quiz using AI.
To create an interactive quiz, upload your content or enter a topic. The AI scans your materials and suggests multiple choice, true, false, or open-ended questions. You can review and edit the suggestions before publishing. Some tools even let you set difficulty levels or learning goals, helping you create a quiz that suits your audience perfectly.
Enhancing engagement with personalization.
Personalization is key. AI-driven tools can adapt quizzes to match a learner's progress, focusing on areas they need to improve. Instant feedback and automatic scoring make it easy to track strengths and weaknesses. This adaptive approach keeps quizzes relevant, motivating, and more effective for reinforcing knowledge.
Best practices and tips.
When using AI quiz generators, keep questions clear and concise. Regularly update your content to maintain engagement. Combine question types for variety and use the analytics features many platforms offer to track learning progress. Test the quizzes yourself to ensure accuracy and adjust as needed for your audience's needs.
Conclusion. Boost learning with AI quizzes.
AI-powered quizzes make it simple to create interactive, effective assessments. By leveraging these tools, you can support personalized learning and reinforce understanding in a fun, engaging way. Explore different platforms, experiment with features, and see how AI can transform your approach to quizzes and knowledge testing.